Hello from the pond. Look, island. Quite a lot of them have already gone in, and oh, the grass cutting machine is coming behind, and I think they have all decided to go into the pond. You can hear the noise behind me. Loads more. Hello, Egyptian Goose. Where's your family? Oh, there they are. Mom and the kids. Oh my word, you've grown so much. You can see the 8 goslings. I'm gonna go closer to them. Hello, darlings. Boy, you've grown. I've not seen them for about, I'm not sure, 10 days, maybe even 2 weeks. No. Yeah, about like that, a week and a half. Look, you're developing feathers. Oh, my word. So happy to see you, and also happy to see that all 8 are here with Mom. And of course Dad. He is always keeping an eye on his family. And let's see some of the other geese plunk into the pond. When I arrived, about, I don't know, there's about 100 of them, and they were all outside just chilling. And then this noisy grass cutting thingy came and they got spooked. There's more. Back to the Egyptian Goose family. Well, you're not going in? Oh no, you're having a bit of a stretch. Look at that one. I'm just showing you the biggest part of the stretch. Are you leading your siblings? Their shape has changed, the way they are holding themselves. It's interesting to see how they grow and develop. Are you gonna go jump in? Let's see. Mom is going after them, but they went confidently ahead because their dad was there. Now I'm following you. Are you showing them the tree? Now Egyptian geese like to roost on trees and high up. Obviously, as the little ones, they can't fly yet. It's something they will have to learn later. Because one of the parents' favorite spots is this. You see that big old oak tree? They like to fly up to the high branches and stay there. And oh my word, I just spotted somebody else. Hello, cuteness. Now you're a new baby. It's just you and Mama. I've not seen you before. I didn't know you exist, so you're a lovely surprise. Hello. Oh, the noise is coming again. Look at those little feet. Oh, are you running to the pond quickly? Yeah. The Egyptian Goose family is going that way. They have a spot round the bend on the other side of the green. But let's see you, little one. Oh, I hope you make it. Oh, Mom's jumped in the water. Are you gonna follow her? Yes, you are. There we go. Oh, you little fluff. They're always so cute when they are small. Every single baby animal is. Are you trying to come back out? Oh no, it's catching flies and stuff. Can you see? Clever little duckling. Okay. Well, I'm happy to have spotted you. And I think I'm gonna end the video here, because the noise is coming again and I really don't like it. Let me just pan around. You can see loads of geese are on the pond now. And the light is funky because it's overcast for the first time in a long time. We've been having really sunny days and really hot ones. Right. Have a lovely day, everyone. I hope you get to spot something cute today.